You got point.
Entry team, this is Todd. We no longer have control of negotiations. You are cleared to move and secure the premises.
They're gonna fucking seize everything. Who's there? I hear you. Calm down.
Moving into
Fuck
handcuffs.
you. You have no right.
Don't worry, we're with
No
the
right.
LSPD.
I'm not moving.
I'll get him ready.
Not moving.
Dustin Red.
Need to talk.
Entry team to talk.
We have
Civilian
a
ready
right
for
to
transport.
operate.
Trailers ready. Dock to leave.
Such horse shit.
Trailers en route.
What the hell is the police doing here?
Someone's here.
LSPD, hands
You're not
up!
doing anything wrong here. Just don't shoot.
Don't move!
Come on.
Bullshit! Show me a badge! Move! You asshole! Show me your hand! I'm not going to jail!
Drop the weapon!
Fuck you, I'm not going anywhere! Drop the gun! Don't make me any
drop
harder!
the gun.
I fucking dare you! This isn't worth your life! Fuck you, I've heard that before!
Drop it and put your hands
Fuck
up.
you!
Don't move.
Fuck you, I'm not buying it! Okay, I'm putting it down!
Drop it and get down!
I'm not going to jail!
Drop the gun. I'll
not
see you
going
in
to
hell.
jail.
LSPD, get down now. Stretch.
Yeah, alright, it's over, okay?
Yeah, I got
Police, get your hands up!
Got a bag. Get ready. Hands up.
Entry team to talk. Down.
Good to go.
Lead, this is Doc. Proceed with your mission.
No badge, no warrant. You guys are fucked and you know it.
Idiots can't do anything right.
Arrest her.
I got it.
Once we're done, we'll get you out of here.
Let me see those hands!
Don't move. Got to do this for safety. Making it safe. Civilian restraint.
Security! Stop
there.
Dock to entry team. Proceed with mission.
I'm not involved in anything. Talk. Evidence. Suspect in custody.
Dock here. Send them.
Shit! Put that fucking gun down!
Police, don't move.
I'm not going to
Drop
jail!
your weapon!
LSPD, don't move.
Hands up! Drop the weapon!
Yeah, I've heard that
Get
one
down.
before.
LSPD,
Let's
don't
just
move!
both put our hands down, alright?
Get your hands up!
Fuck you, show me a badge!
Down! Drop the weapon and get down!
Police,
Get down.
LSPD, get down!
On the ground now.
LSPD,
Alright.
move!
It's over, okay?
Evidence good to go. Need you to stay on the ground. Making it safe.
Got them all zipped up.
I don't know
Element
anything.
to talk. Ready. Compliant.
Lead, this is Doc. Trailers ready.
Police,
Shit.
down on your knees!
You have no right.
Get down! Over there!
Go to hell.
We got a civilian down.
Relevant. Continue with your mission.
Police, get down! Get down now!
Cuffing.
Don't move!
Got him.
I didn't think you were actually cops.
Talk.
Doc,
Suspect secure. Ready for pickup.
Doc to entry team. Notifying trailers.
fucking kill you!
Drop your weapons now! You're a cop.
That's not one of ours. Fuck. Bullshit! Show me a badge!
Team, unlock it.
Unlocking.
Fucking shit! What the fuck?
Get down! I want to see your hands!
One suspect down.
Drop
Reload.
him! Now!
Hands on your head!
On it. Got him. Their buckles up and good to go.
Drop your weapons! Taking fire!
Go to hell!
Down.
Drop your weapons!
Get down on your knees, hands up! Hands up above your head!
Fucking shit! Get back!
Don't even know what half this is.
Fuck you!
Duffin. Suspect securing. Don't move!
Police, hands up!
Drop the gun! Contact is down! Gonna back it up. Evidence good. Evidence secured.
I'm not going to jail!
Hands up now! Hands up! Do
There's
it now.
nothing incriminating on the server. Listen to what I'm telling you.
Put your hands up!
I'll see you in
Hands
hell!
up above your head!
Get back!
Put your
Not gonna happen!
I swear to God.
Suspect down. In need of temps.
Stock reported.
Safe.
Make them stable and proceed with mission.
What are you doing here?
Entry team, this is Todd. Might I remind you that how you perform in the field reflects on the entire force. Think about that and debrief today. Roll in.